Hello, in this video you're going to be learning how to do MailMerge. So MailMerge is for MailMerge you need two applications. One is the Excel file, which I'm going to launch it right now. I'm going to launch Excel. This is Excel. The basis of Excel is a calculator. In Excel we have columns. We have a column A, B, C. I'm moving my mouse right now. You see it? And we have rows. Row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. Now for the MailMerge, what we are going to do is we are going to write a letter and we are going to import data from a database. The database is going to be Excel and the document is going to be written in Word. Okay? Now to do the data to do the database we have to open Excel, and first we have to type what is given in the lesson, like first name, last name, subject. Average grade. So we have all of this. We have, if we want to expand the columns, we have to go between the columns A and B. There's a little line. Once you move the mouse pointer there, the mouse pointer becomes like an arrow from right to left or left to right. Okay, so you can hold your mouse button and you can expand the size of the column. Then you have to type the names. Okay, Bill, White, Math, class, first, and average grade 98. Okay, now once you do that, you have to save it. You have to go to the Office button. You have to click on Save As and save it as Excel workbook. Okay, in my case, what I have done, I'm not gonna continue this because I already saved the file. You have to type this, okay? First name, last name, subject, class period, and average grade. These are the students we have right now. For example, we have Bill, Sue, Jamal, Keisha, Daryl, and Sid. So we are going to be creating a letter for each one of the students, okay? Now I'm gonna open Microsoft Word now, and in Microsoft Word we have to type this. Now, you see in characters like first name in brackets and last name in brackets. You see first name here, class, period in brackets. Okay, the reason why we have it is because these are going to be commands that we are going to tell Excel to import the data to Word. Okay, see first name here. We go to the Word file and you have first name here. Like you see subject here, the word subject, and let's go to this is in the database we have the word subject. That means when we put the word subject in Word, it's going to bring math, science, art, geography, art, and art. Okay? Now, let's start the MailMerge. The MailMerge, you have to go to mailings. You have to go to start MailMerge, step-by-step MailMerge wizard, and then we have steps to do, okay? Okay, let's do it like that right now. Okay, starting document. Now there are 6 steps to be completed. Click on next, starting document. Now we have to use the current document. Number 2, step 2 of 6. Next, select recipient. The recipient is the Excel file. In my case, I have to look for it. I'm going to click on Browse. And I have it, in my case, I have it in my desktop. Okay, it's saved in my desktop. And we have it here. Okay, MailMerge. I click on Open. Now you see this, is importing the data. Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. Now you might be thinking, what is this? Is this Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. Now, Sheet 1 is the only one we're going to be using because Sheet 2 is empty and Sheet 3 is empty as well. Now, let's proceed. I'll click on OK. Now, you see the names there from the database: Bill White, Sue Brown, Jamal Gray, Keisha Black, Daryl Kerr, and Sid Torres. So we have all of these. All the students are being imported from the Excel file to Microsoft Word. I'm going to click on OK. Now I click on step 3 of 6. Write your letter. Click on it. Now I'm gonna proceed and erase this because I'm gonna do the real import, okay? Now I'm gonna click on more items here. Now I have these fields. The fields have first name, last name, subject, class period, and average grade. Now if you go back to the database, we have them here too. That's why it's so crucial and so important to put the title of every column, like first name, last name, subject, because when you're going to do the merge, you're gonna see these in the mail merge, okay? Now here to the parents of, I'm gonna insert first name. Click on insert. Now you see the bracket first name, close bracket. Now I'm gonna click on close. Why? Because I need to press the space bar. This is the keyboard. I'm gonna press this space bar. This is the space bar key. I'm gonna press it. So I'm gonna make a space between the first name and the last name. Now click last name, click on insert. Now click on close. Now you put comma there. As we approach the end of the first 6 weeks, I wanted to let you know how glad I am to have first name. I'm gonna erase this one right here. Okay. And I'm gonna put more items. There, I'm clicking on more items, first name. Now you might be wondering why I'm erasing it. I'm erasing it because the mail merge is not done yet. I'm doing the mail merge at this moment, but these are reference points for me, so I know what field goes in the letter, so I can do it faster. Okay, class period, more items. So this is class period. Click on insert. We have it there. Click on close. Now in the subject, I'm gonna erase it too. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the subject there, more items. Click on subject. You click on insert. You click on close now. And finally, we have we have to do this one too, first name. But in this one right here, we have to be very close to the apostrophe because this is a possession. Okay. At these times, the name, let's say Bill's average grade is this. Okay. So more items. We have to put first name, insert. Click on close. Now finally, we have to do the average grade. I'm going to erase it. Average grade. I click on more items. Average grade. You click on insert. Click on close. Okay, we have that. So if you see this red waving, Excel is trying to recommend you some fix. Okay. Now, but because this is getting mixed with the commands from MailMerge, so just ignore it at this moment. I'm gonna go and click on step 4 of 6. Next, preview your letters. I'm gonna click on it. The MailMerge is done. It's happening. Now, the first student, which is Bill White, Excel has imported the information from Bill White to the parents of Bill White. As we approach the end of the first 6 weeks, I wanted to let you know how glad I am to have Bill in my first period math class. At this time, Bill's average is 98. If I can be of assistance, please call me. This is what we have. Okay, now click on next, complete the merge. Number 5. Now, so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students, and we have only one letter. Now, what we have to do, we have to click on edit individual letters, and we have to click on all, and you click on OK. Now, look at this at the bottom of the page. Now we have 6 letters. The first letter is for Bill White. The second letter is for Sue Brown. The third letter is for Jamal Gray. The fourth letter is for Keisha Black. Okay, fifth letter is for Daryl Kerr. And the last letter is for Sid Torres. Okay, so we have the letters. Now, let's double check if the data is correct. Let's say for Sid, we have a 94% average. Is it true? Let's go to the database. Sid has 94%. Fine. Let's check Keisha. Keisha, her percentage average grade is 91. Is it true? Let's check. Okay, Keisha. So, okay, this one, this is the file. Okay, we have Keisha. Keisha is 91. Let's go back here. Keisha is 91. Let's take Sue. Sue is 98%. 89, I'm sorry, it's 89%. Sue is 89. Let's check 89. Sue has 89. Average grade is 89. Okay, so the mail merge has been completed successfully. So what you have to do is you have to pay attention, and if you want to expand this, what you can do is you can add more names, more students, students, last name, subject, class period, and average grade, and do the whole process of mail merge. And mail merge will create more letters. If you put 22 students, it will create 22 letters. If you put 100 names of 100 names of students, it's going to create 100 letters. If you put 500 names of students, it's going to create 500 letters. This feature is extremely powerful, so I recommend you to use it, and try to repeat the whole process a few times so you understand how this is done. Thank you very much for watching this video. Till the next time. Bye bye.